Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be comparing the processor of the Dimensity 800U from the Realme brand versus the Snapdragon 750G processor from the Mi 10i. The Realme has the Realme X7 and the Realme Q2 which is launched in China, and in India very soon the Realme they're gonna launch the mid-range segment category with the Dimensity 800U processor. So they did ask me so many users that which processor is the best, 800U or the 950G processor, and which has more Antutu benchmark score and which has more Geek benchmark. And in this test, I'll try to do Antutu benchmark test and Geek benchmark. I'll try to compare both phones side by side, and meanwhile I'll try to talk about which processor will be the best and for the prices as well, what they are offering. So let's get started friends, and in case if you're watching first time this channel, make sure to subscribe and support my channel to grow very soon. And in case if you want this live wallpaper, so make sure to check the links in description. There's a playlist available for each and every smartphone which I reviewed in my channel, so try to check the playlist. So links will be available in the description below. So let's begin with the first thing. Let me try to compare the Antutu benchmark score between this Dimensity 800U processor from the Realme versus 750G. So to make you prove that this Dimensity 800U processor, there is a settings available here. You can clearly see this is a Dimensity 800U processor. You can see your friends, and let me try to quickly open the Antutu benchmark application in both the phones, and it is a score which I got here in the Dimensity 800U processor, and this is a score in the Snapdragon 750G processor. So if you observe carefully, there's not much difference between both of the processor friends. There's only difference of 9,000, so that's not huge difference, I would say. Definitely it's very close to each other in terms of the Antutu benchmark performance. So overall the Dimensity 800U is very much close to the Snapdragon 750G processor. So this is what the conclusion I came into after doing the couple of benchmarking applications. So next I'll try to test the Geek benchmark application as well. So let me to open the Geek benchmark application, so you might be able to understand the results in the Geek benchmark. So let me try to open here, and here's the Geek benchmark. So let me show the history where I did the big benchmarking test here. So this is a test which I did just right now, so Jan 5th, as you can clearly see the time and date as well. So you can see in the Geek benchmark, the Snapdragon processor is really good, performed very good in terms of the single core. You can see the difference. It's not huge, but for the Geek benchmark it's huge, definitely friends. So there's a huge difference in the Geek benchmark score, so between this both Dimensity 800U and the Snapdragon 750G processor. So the question is that which processor is the best? So this is another question which is asked by most of the subscribers, that which is best for gaming, which one should I buy for the gaming? And my answer would be the Snapdragon processors are really optimized and really good for the gaming. So don't get me wrong, even the Dimensity 800 processors and Dimensity series is really doing good, but the thing is that the gaming developers, they need to give the updates for this particular graphic GPU. But whereas the Snapdragon processors, definitely they will receive the plenty of updates very soon. So for example, the Realme X2 Pro, which has Snapdragon processor, which got the PUBG 90 FPS support in the official game. So whereas I did have the Realme X7 Pro, which has the Dimensity 1000 Plus. The updates in this Dimensity 1000 Plus is really slow. I did not even get 90 FPS till now. Even after using the phone for more than 2 months, I did not get the update. Still I'm waiting for that PUBG update. So this will be the situation for the Dimensity users. So maybe the things might change in the future, but at the moment I would recommend you to buy that Snapdragon processors. But there's only one condition where I would recommend to buy this phone: if the pricing is your concern. So if you are unable to spend 21,000 or 20,000 on this Mi 10i, then definitely you can buy the Realme X7 or maybe Realme 7 5G or other smartphone which is coming with the Dimensity 800U device. So thank you friends. I hope this video will be giving a clear clarity of which phone is the best in terms of the performance and all things. And thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.